Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. If you haven't already, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love, and we're going to be doing some makeup. The makeup I will be recreating is right here behind me, and I already did one side already, and we're going to get into the video. So you guys who are already on YouTube, you guys, the link to join is in my community tab. So go to my community tab and click on that link to join the live. We're doing some Q&A questions while doing some makeup, and yeah. So tap on that screen. Also click on that link to join. So I'm waiting. There's a lot of people in the chat, so don't be scared. You can ask me some questions, and we're going to get started. Welcome to my content. I'm going to be using IMV eyeshadow palette, Pineapple. I'm going to be using the Give Me Gold eyeshadow palette. So first I'm going to use Legacy. It is like a reddish tone color. I already did my eyebrows, so we're going to go into the makeup, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this red color, reddish brown color, and what we're going to do is blend it out on the outer corner of the eye. That's the model right behind me. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use like this brush. It's kind of like a pointing brush. I'm going to use the color. It's called Back In with my brush. The palette is the IMV. It's by IMV, and it's called Give Me Gold eyeshadow palette. You can go onto their website. It's ivyusa.com, and they have 4 different eyeshadow palettes. They have the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. They have the Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette, and they also have the Rose. So they have 4 different eyeshadow palettes. So the website is ivyusa.com. So if you're interested, go onto that site now. And I'm going to use some face primer, you guys. This is the most important step. The face primer now. And I'm going to use some face primer, you guys. This is the most important step. The face primer. My eye stuck. I'm going to apply a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to apply it just like that. So this helps for the makeup to stay on and look very natural and not cakey. I always use face primer. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to use my favorite lashes by IMV. It's called the Crystal Glow. They're called Marquise, if you guys can see it. It's VC02. These lashes are also on their website, ivyusa.com. And then I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to use my 3D Super Strong Hold Lash Glue in the color Clear. And I love to do this. I love to apply around the rim of the lash. So this helps the lashes stay on all day. So I'm just applying a little bit around the rim. And so this is how the lashes look. And what we're going to do, we're going to go close as possible to the lash line. And we're going to apply the lash. And we're going to press it down on the sides. And then we're going to go like towards in the middle. And then we're going to press it down here. Hello. And this is how you do it. And then we're going to use the 2-in-1 concealer by Absolute New York. It's number 05. It's called Cool Cafe. And we're going to apply a little underneath the eye. Now you don't have to use setting spray, so I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. and then I'm just going to apply it. So I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to apply this concealer around the lip area. Sophia, do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me? Hi. Hey. I'm going to blend this concealer around my lip area.
What are your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. So I'm just applying. And then I'm just going to go in. Okay.
I'm just going to do like just put random.
Okay.
But don't worry, I'll take it off. I don't want to look weird.
No problem.
I have wigs. Look, I had.
And this is the final look, guys.
I forgot you did. Which one? Do you like this blue one or do you like this pink one? That's a pink and purple. So that blue is like
These are my, if you guys see, these are my YouTubers, you guys on TikTok. These are my YouTubers. So if you guys haven't already, come join my YouTube channel. So join the family. But this is the final makeup look, you guys. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my TikTok and my YouTube channel. And this is the final look. So I did, you guys. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my TikTok and my YouTube channel. And this is the final look. So I did palette that I am wearing in today's video by Ivy, ivyusa.com. And this is their face primer that I used. And also, if you want to know the lip combo that I use as well, I use the Plum Tint lipstick from IMV, and they also have a mood lipstick as well. So I use those two combinations. And my 2-in-1 Absolute New York foundation, you can find it at your local beauty supply store, or you can find it at Walmart.
Can I rejoin? Because I'm going to use the bathroom.
Go ahead. So this is it, you guys. Any questions you guys want to ask me before I leave? I would love that you guys ask questions, or if you have any interest in I leave. I would love that you guys ask questions, or if you have any interest in. Oh, well, hold on. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for joining. I will see you guys in my next live. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. The goal is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. And on here, TikTok 2,000, Instagram 10,000. And I will see you guys. Bye.